Today's wig comes from Nadulahair. I will have a link below. Let's unbox it. This wig is a 7x5 bye-bye knot water wave wig. It is in Brazilian hair. The length is about 24 inches. The hairline looks really good. This is a knotless wig. The knots are super small. This is what the hair texture look like. So pretty, so soft. And straight out the box, you can see that it has a beautiful wave pattern. If you're looking for your next vacation hair or you just like wavy hair, this is a very low maintenance style. The cap construction is their drawstring wig. You can pull it to tighten it up, and it also has a stopper on it so that you can keep it secure. This is how much parting space you get on a 7x5. And the cap construction has combs on the inside, on the sides also. So to install it, all you have to do is just pull it down, and instantly you can see that hairline looks really good. They really put the hair in there so that it looks like it's growing straight from your scalp. I love it. Go ahead and insert a comb here, and then also insert a comb on this side. For the drawstring, you want to take your drawstring, and then you just want to pull until it's where you want it to be, nice and tight. And then I'm going to take the stopper to make sure that stays in place, and then tuck the string. Wow, straight out the box, as you can see, I didn't have to do much to this wig. It looks so good. I really like how flat the lace lays. I don't have to tint it. There's no bulging right here. You don't have to worry about adding any type of product on the hair if you don't want to. And it's very secure. As you can see, I can swing it. It's not going anywhere, just pulling on it. So it is very secure. Just make sure you add those combs in the side. You don't have to, but if you want a little extra hold, it's there. And it also has two built-in straps, so you can use the drawstring or you can use the regular adjustable strap if that's what you're used to. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So the drawstring itself is put into these wigs so that you can have a convenient way to wear your wig without any glue. If you want to protect your hairline, girl, then yeah, this wig will definitely do that. It's very secure right now. It's one of my favorite. I like it better than the adjustable strap because you can really adjust it to a small head, or you can stretch it out for a bigger head. So this wig comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. That's why it looks so seamless. They made it where it's very adjustable, so if you have a smaller head, you can get it to adjust very well. 24 inches. So they have different length sizes. I feel like this style was so easy to achieve. I have nothing underneath here. Like, there's no glue or anything here. As you can see, I can put my comb underneath there and it looks really good. This is the first style that you can achieve with the 7x5 closure. You can even do braids here if you like. Just depending on your personal style, you don't have to do this, but I have these little clips. I'm gonna add like some right here. I think it's cute, especially for spring. So I'm gonna keep those in, and I'm just gonna pull this all the way up so you can wear this in an updo. And as you can see, you can pull it up into a bun, which I think is also a really convenient style, especially if you get hot. You can just pull it up and it still look cute. And remember, this is a 7x5 closure, so of course the hair right here, I had to just pull down some edges here because it stops about right here on each side, but I think it still looks really good. But of course, my favorite is to wear it down. Like, I think the water wave is such a classic style. It's so simple. Like, even with me doing all of that, the hair still holds this wave pattern without becoming too frizzy. And yes, after you wash it, it will come back. You can probably even define it a little bit more just with some hair mousse. I'll link this wig below in the description box. Be sure to check down there. Thank you guys so much for joining me back for today's video.